living room. Harriet opens the desktop, closes it. Ozzy scratches his head.
Hey you guys, I'm starting off with bare nails and I'm using some cuticle remover. Got this from Amazon. I will link everything down below. I'm putting this all over my cuticles so it can soften it up, and then I'm going to wait about 4 minutes and then I'm going to start, like, you know, yeah. So I'm rubbing it in. I'm pushing it back with a cuticle pusher just to clean out my nails. You can see how it's lifting up. That cuticle remover really works. You can see all the soft dead skin and stuff lifting up. So after I do that, I'm going to use this bit. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of pointy in the front. And I'm using just a regular sanding band to sand the nails. It looks like it's going fast, but I really have it on the lowest setting. Kiss nail glue to glue down my nails. I got these nail tips from, I forgot, this boutique on Instagram. I'm doing quite long nails today, so that's why. And then I'm just cutting right underneath the numbers, and I'm measuring it with my other hand because I already did my other hand. I always have to do my right hand before I do my left hand, because if I do the left hand first, I'm going to struggle. I'm dehydrating the nail, and then I'm going to put on some bond. I did not show you that, but I'm using just a number 14 Kolinsky brush, and I'm applying this to my nails. I'm still learning on how to properly apply this. Like, I've been looking at so many videos, but I learned to just like tap it and then gently swipe a little bit, but I'm trying to learn how to just do it in 2 beats or 1. But I'm going ahead and just building it up to my liking. It doesn't matter how much you build it up because we're gonna still have to go in and file it down. So it's not going to be perfect, but I'm trying my best. This is my pinky nail. I didn't get to show you too much of the footage because my hand was kind of out of focus a lot. But I'm just making sure that I'm cleaning up the cuticle, and then I'm starting to file. I'm filing the bottom of the nail, and then I'm going to bring it up straight. Bring that file up straight. You don't want to have it curving on top of the nail because then it's going to give you a coffin shape. I'm going for a straight nail. So just always have the file very straight. I'm filing underneath the nail. So I'm curving it underneath the nail, and then I'm coming up straight onto the side of the nail. Tell me if you guys prefer like me speeding up the video like that, or should I just leave it to play in regular time? But now I'm done. I'm going to use this round bit just to seal off my cuticle, making sure that I don't have no overlapping acrylic onto my skin. And then I'm using this bit to file the nail and also help to seal the cuticle even more. I love this. It's like a safety bit because the top of it is flat. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. This video is more focused on the nail polish, but I still wanted to show you guys me doing my nails because I haven't did them in a long time on video. And I'm just cleaning up the bottom of the nail. I'll be struggling sometimes, guys, so if you are struggling, just know you're gonna get it after you do it a couple of times. These are how the nails are looking after I'm done shaping it and filing it. I'm gonna now buff it to get rid of any scratches on the nail. Got these little buffers from Shein actually. Just buff it as smooth as you can get it. And then I'm gonna wash my hands and use like a little brush to clean out any debris on the nail. And it's gonna be time for painting. This is how the nails are looking right now. This video is sponsored by Madam Glam. They did send me over these products. They're not paying me for this, but I just wanted to use the products, so they sent me over some products. I'm going to be using these colors to paint my nails today. This green and this pink and the neons. I also already have some of their polishes that I'm going to add to it as well. I had bought their black polish and their orange polish, so I'm going to be using that in the video. They sent over this nail lamp, so we're going to try to test it out today. I'm just going to plug it in. It does have a little plug at the back. I'll link this down below for you guys. You want to use some alcohol to make sure that the nails are nice and clean. They're dehydrated. They have no oils on them. And I did end up putting the colors on this little nail polish plate, but I did not even use it too much. When it was on the plate, I used it straight from the bottle, but you guys can see the color better when I put it down here. These are how all the colors are looking that I'm going to be using today. I'm also going to be using this orange shade by Madam Glam as well. And this white shade I got on Amazon. And I decided just to use it straight from the bottle. So this is just like a freehand 90s inspired nail art design. I don't really have much to say about it, so I'll just leave it to play so you guys can watch me. For the lamp, I did go ahead and cure it, pressing it one time. That's like 40 seconds or so. And when I want to cure like the full nail, I do 60 to 1 minute. That's clicking it 2 times. When you click it 2 times, it's 1 minute.
Brushing down my skin, what's too fresh from deep within. Syndrome, yeah. Sheets ain't changed a bit. Can't feel these memories in the washer, so why bother? Oh, why bother? Why? No shell, never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name. Your eyes stay close just to see my face. While she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you. You and I, we stay in denial. Kisses tickle your soul. Highly chills whenever the wind blows. And I take it down at the knees when you sigh.
Okay, and now once I have all the base colors, I'm going to go ahead and use the black. This black is from Madam Glam too. I'll link everything down below for you guys. And I'm just doing some freehand nail art, just like little lines and dots. Very self-explanatory. It's going to be, I mess up so many times with this, but since you already cured the other colors, you can just use some alcohol and wipe that off. But yeah, this is just a freehand. Any design that you do is just going to be unique to you, so it's not going to be exactly the same as mine. That's why I really like this nail design.
And I left upon with your taste buds, so she'll never persuade one to forget me for her. So I bother. Oh, she'll never ever feel the same. Inside, you're always gonna say my name.
And I am going to use a dotting tool. I got this from Amazon as well. I'll link everything down below like I said. And I'm just putting a little bit of white dots just to give me a little bit more dimension, a little bit more action going on. I really love these nails.
Eyes close just to see my face while she's thinking that I've been replaced. Deny you, deny you. sugar in my brownie mix. I'll always be your favorite fix. Unlike that other bitch, I left more than a spoon to, spoon to lick. Oh, no magic tricks. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I mean, it must be infatuation. You can't keep your hands off me. You can't keep them eyes off me. You love talking about my silhouette. Eyes are wrapped around me like a sweater. Talking all that shit, you know no better. And I peep the emphasis when you say Heather. You lit whatever. Talking about my silhouette. Eyes are wrapped around me like a sweater. You're talking all that shit, you know no better. And I peep the emphasis when you say Heather. You lit whatever. Boy, you know exactly what you got into. I don't know what I would do if I were you. Knowing the things that I know, the lengths that I go.
I did end up putting some gold flakes on the nails. I don't know if I absolutely love it, but I was just trying out something. So I put the gold flakes on there.
Trying to find my place. It's been hard for me, and still you say your grace. Love me from my feet to my face. Can you wrap your hands around my silhouette? Eyes are wrapped around me like a sweater. Talking all that shit, you know no better.
And then I'm using the Matte and Glam top coat. I did not use the base coat today, but it did come with a base coat as well, as you've seen in the little show and tell. And I'm just sealing off my design with the top coat. And I'm going to cure that for about a minute to 2 minutes in this little lamp. The lamp is very convenient if you don't have a big one, but I do have a big one. So when I use my big one, it dries quicker, but if you don't have a big one, then I recommend getting a small one. This is how shiny this top coat is. This top coat is so shiny. Keep in mind, this is the one they sent me, but I already have their top coat and their base coat because I buy from them with my own money. Look how shiny that is. That looks so good. Thumbs up this video if you're liking this so far. Now you can see me doing my opposite hand. You see how I'm holding the paintbrush? Because it's a little bit hard for me to do my other hand, but I take my time and I try. This took me probably 4 hours because the nails are long and then I can't really work with my other hand too well. And every time you put the color, you want to cure because you don't want to cross-contaminate each bottle with the different colors.
I'm so lost. What's it cost for the world to leave you alone? Can't believe you're really gone. Love's so cruel without you. you're never gone. It's so
Okay, and once you're done curing, you're gonna go ahead and use the file to seal off the bottom of the nail so there's nothing like sticking off or anything. This makes it super sharp. It makes your shape really, really good. I'm using some vitamin E oil to put on my cuticle. I do have cuticle oil, but I scanned it and it's not good for you, like the one that I have, so I have to get some new ones. But I like this vitamin E oil. It's really nice. And these are how the nails turned out. I think they came out perfect. I absolutely love them. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to check out Madam Glam for these nail polishes. They did that. I love their polishes. I buy them with my own money. So I love this. Make sure you comment down below if you like these nails. Let me know what other type of style should I do. Should I do short nails, medium, coffin, almond? I don't know. I never tried no other like shapes besides stiletto and this shape. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these polishes because I didn't have to pay for it, child. Yeah. Bye.